Oh, it looks so good. It's one of my dream cars for sure. This is the new Lexus GX. It shares a platform with the Toyota Land Cruiser. It's super cool, in my opinion, of course. And one of the perks of staying at Terranea Resort is that you get to take one of these out for up to 3 hours, completely complimentary. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to experience the Lexus GX today and see all about it. It just looks so good, especially with this backdrop. Rancho, Palos, Verdes, such a beautiful little town. Man, this is just the coolest. I love this car.